Hi, it's me, Rahmi Hatma, and in this good occasion, let's demonstrate how to measure AC and DC voltage using multimeter. First, let's take a look what materials are we need. First, we need multimeter, battery, black and red cables, and electric socket. Well, now let's do the demonstration. First, connect the red cables to V or positive hole, the corner hole. So, connect the black cables to the third hole, the common hole. After we knew the battery voltage has 1.5 volt, point the switch to 2 volt. Connect the probe to the battery, red to positive and black to negative. Now, we can see in multimeter display, the battery have 1.6 volt. And now is using electric socket. The black and the red position is the same as the previous. But we should change the switch to 750. Connect the two cables to the electric socket. And we can see in multimeter display the voltage of electric socket is 220. Well, that's all from me. Thank you for your full attention. See you in another occasion.